trader, Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. Today is Tuesday, so I want to say happy Tuesday. As usual, before we get into a recap of the overall markets, I would like to welcome you. So if this is your very first time tuning into a ShortMeTina video, I'd like to say one, welcome. Do me a solid in the comment section, drop me a comment, tell me hi, let me know how your day is going. I generally say hi back. If you are returning, you know what I'm going to say. You can be doing so many things at this time and in this moment, but you choose to spend it with me, and for that I am grateful. Also, do me a solid, comment in the comment section, and I'd like to say welcome back. All right, so right now on your screen is the spot. We usually always start off with the market. So right now what you're looking at is the S&P 500 daily chart dating back to around 2017. So we're slightly down to flat on the day, off about 0.33%. Have a close here of 298.99. What was today's low? Today's low clocked in at around 298.91. So we closed relatively close to the low, but we are still above that resistance level of, or once resistance, now support of 293 to 295. Still about less than 1%. I didn't do the math. I want to say it's like less than 1% away from all-time highs. So we're still up there. And as I will discuss later on, earnings season is rolling on. And as I indicated before, I think that this week, I hope the market is going to decide whether or not it wants to continue trending higher, or if it wants to go back into this range that it has remained in for, or at once remained in for about 2 years. Again, right now we're slightly above that range. And we're also above the 200-day moving average. So that's what I'm paying attention to. Just let earnings roll in and let the market tells you what it wants to do, okay? What else? All right, IWM, not much to report here. Slightly up on the day, daily chart dating back to 2017. Again, the moving day average is kind of flat. So we're up about, what, 0.07% again on the day, closed at 154.15. Unlike the SPY, the IWM is actually within the 2-year range right now. To get outside of that range, it needs to break above 160. Will earnings do that? That's what I'm paying attention to. Or will we remain in this oblivion of cycling through support of around 144 and a resistance of around 160 for the next 2 or 3 years? I really hope that does not happen. I want to see the market either trend up or trend down. I don't care what it does. I just wanted to make a decision. And right now it seems it's gearing up for a move. What move? That needs to be seen. I will always place my, well, I shouldn't say it like that. For me though, I would rather, if I had a choice, I would rather the market actually break out of this range to the upside, because again, once the market starts trending up, it's far easier to make money, as I always say, in a bull market versus a bear market. All right, so that's what I'm paying attention to with the IWM, seeing if it can at some point break above 160. What else? All right, so McDonald's reported. So this is a chart of McDonald's daily chart dating back to 2017. You can see we're off about 5%, kind of sliced through that moving average. We closed at 199.27 on confirming volume. The low of today clocked in at 199.15. So we closed, similar to the SPY, closed relatively close to the low of today, which generally says that the selling might continue into tomorrow. So despite all that, I actually still like McDonald's here. It's one of those stocks that you definitely want to tuck away for retirement. What else? And then we have Snap, off about 4% reported. So we off about 4% regular session. I think it's off an additional 3.43% in after hours. I see a quote of $13.52, although we closed at around 4. So it looks like this also wants to slice through its moving day average. Even despite that, did I sell my position? Absolutely not. I'm still holding a core long position of Snap. Have I changed my thesis? Have I changed that 20 or initially $20 to $22 price target? Absolutely not. So the further it pulls back from a risk reward perspective, it starts to look even better for me. So I'm not necessarily saying to jump in right now. You might want to let the dust settle, but keep your eye on Snapchat. What else? And then we have Chipotle sitting here at, we closed at 83, 83. Are you kidding? I wish it was 83, right? No, the stock is trading at $831.07. We reported earnings today, off about 2.4% on the day, off an additional 2.5% in after hours. I see a quote of $8. Why do I keep saying 8? I wish it was $8, right? $8, $83, my dream. No, absolutely not. Chipotle is trading close to $1,000. So in after hours, The stock is trading at around $814. Again, a stock that I've been trying to get into since it was in the 400 or 500. Just never got a real safe entry. Maybe one is presenting itself. I do like Chipotle. It's on my watch list. Put it on yours. I think a trading opportunity is going to present itself. Again, as with everything, you do not want to jump in. Let the dust settle. The stock market isn't going anywhere. Chipotle isn't going anywhere. Snapchat isn't going anywhere. McDonald's isn't going anywhere. My point is, you can stock your entries, all right? Like Chipotle, although we're off about I want to say a combined 5% on the day, I still like it. What else? And then we have UPS daily chart off about 2%. I don't know what happened here. It seems as though it touched the moving average 200-day here today when it went as low as 111. Then we bounced to close it around 116. Another stock that I like, especially heading into the holidays. Can't say I'm going to jump into it right now, but a good setup, in my opinion, is underway. So I like UPS. Pay attention to that. And so we have some other stocks obviously reporting as the weeks roll on. So let's just quickly wrap it up and round it out with ticker TROV daily chart. Huge congrats. Huge, not huge, but huge congrats to the bulls. Stock is up about 70% on the day, although we're slightly down in after hours. We're down about 5%. I see a quote of around $1.70. The low of today clocked in at 150, and all of this, right, that 70% gain came on confirming volume. You can see it kind of kissed that 200-day moving average before pulling back. I don't trade the 200, but apparently whoever's in this stock today clearly respects it. You can see it for the most part has respected this average here. Anyway, so if you're on the sidelines, you're long, you're looking to get long, you're saying, well, hey, Tina, is this going to continue its sell-off, or will we have a chance for this stock to trend higher? As I always say, you want to pay attention to what's going on in pre-market and how the stock opens up. Now, we're down in after hours. If that continues heading into pre-market tomorrow, that might be a cautionary tale, right? Because you want it to, at minimum, open above where it closed. So if it closed at 179, ideally for things to look good, you want it to open up above 179. So that's what I'd be paying attention to heading into pre-market and a regular session tomorrow. So we're going to cap it there. I think I've said enough. Tina here, once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of this video, I'd like for you to do 3 things for me. 3. That's all I ask is 3. 1, comment in the comment section. Tell me, did you like my analysis? You didn't like it? Thumbs up, thumbs down. You hate it? You disagree? Whatever it is, comment and let me know. That's the first thing. 2, I do videos Monday through Friday. No matter what, there will be a video uploaded. So if you don't want to miss them, ensure you are subscribed at our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. And lastly, my friend, I've been trading for well over 15. Yes, that is 15 years. If you think you can learn anything from me, then definitely head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support. I'll talk to you.